babes, it's Tanisha and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I post most of my content to TikTok, so TikTok saw this first, but I low-key miss my YouTube fam, so I decided to start these intros YouTube standard size and then include the TikTok. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dossier unboxing slash honest review. Dossier reached out to me and asked me to pick out 2 scents I wanted to try, so this is the video for that. Hey babes, y'all know how much I love my perfumes. I have a perfume unboxing for you guys today. I've been on the hunt for the perfect perfume smell lately, so I was super excited when Dossier reached out and asked me to pick out some scents I wanted to try. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got. Okay, packaging. So the scents I picked out were Ambery Vanilla and Floral Marshmallow. Which one should I open first? I'll do this one. This is how it looks when you first open the box. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And they both come with note cards that say the name of the fragrance and the different scents you're smelling and also who it's inspired by. This is honestly designer quality for the low. Y'all know I'm a sucker for good packaging and I love a fun unboxing experience. Dossier really did their thing. First impressions after taking the perfumes out of the boxes, they feel good. They feel like good quality perfumes. And have y'all ever had a snapback cap? Like, look at this. What? Like, that's crazy. I don't know which one I should try out first. I'm excited for Ambery Vanilla because it's inspired by YSL's Black Opium, and I love Black Opium. So I'm gonna really see if Dossier really captures these iconic scents. And then Floral Marshmallow is inspired by Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy, and apparently that's what people say Riri smells like. So I definitely want to give this a try. For those that know me know I don't do floral, so this is an honest review for someone who does not like floral. So we're gonna see Floral Marshmallow. Is it a thing? Ooh. I definitely smell the floral. I'm not a floral girl, guys. But it's sweet enough where it... Ooh, I like that. Hold on. Okay. It smells like it's long lasting. Like there's thickness to that smell. Ah. Honestly, not bad because I don't like floral, but this can do. Oh, I'm looking at the notes. Yeah, I definitely smell a lot of orange in there. Vanilla. Okay. It's a sweet floral. I think this can go on, guys. For someone who doesn't like floral marshmallow smells really good. Me and florals we're friends again. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this one now. Let's put this to the test. Y'all, hold on. Dossier, did your thing with this one. This smells like Black Opium. When they said inspired, it's inspired. This smells like if you were to spray Black Opium and then the dust in the air from the spray was collected. So Black Opium has that strongness to it and then that nice smell. This is like a light version of that smell. But this iconic scents. Designer quality, no markups, for real. Final impression, this is my first time trying Dossier and it's definitely not my last. These smell amazing. Like, they did not come to play when they said iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Like, these smell good. They really did their thing. If you want to check out the scents I just tried, I'll leave all their information down below. I'm gonna go add some Dossier to my cart. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. So that is it for today's video. This is my first time trying this style of video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know because I have a bunch of other TikToks I want y'all to see. So let me know if you guys want me to do the first YouTube version intro and then add the TikTok video because I mostly make content for TikTok. So if I don't do that, then YouTube, bam. You guys are gonna be waiting years for another video, but let me know if you guys want to start seeing this type of style video. Anyways, bye guys, thanks for watching.